channel, Sparkling Glue. I just wanted to share some of my most common paper punch stamp hole punch things that I use for crafting. I'll try to link as many of the items as I can in the description. Some of them maybe they don't sell, or I don't remember where I bought them, but I'm sure you can find them somewhere if I can't find the link. But anyway, so the first is the Crop-A-Dial, which I'm actually still learning to use it. So it's for a punch for grommet and eyelet setter, but it also has two little hole punches on the side. And let me just show you. So look how little. I think it's an eighth. No, yeah, it's, let me just make sure I tell you the right thing. One is an eighth and one is 3/16, I believe. So, let's see. Yeah, 1/8 or 3/16 of an inch. So those, and this goes through supposedly a lot of paper. Let's try. I don't know, this might be too many, but let's see. I'm putting them all in, and it really does work really easy. So that's great. Anyway, I'm not going to do the eyelet or the grommets right now, but like I said, that's a punch, so that's one of them. Then this is, I believe, just a quarter regular punch. And this one is an eighth. So those are just for on tags and different things. And then let's see what we have. Okay, this is a border punch, which I really like. And then you just line up the next, that's my dog, the next, so you can keep going. You just line them up right on the, in this particular case, on the silver. And then I just end up pulling this off so you have a nice edge. And this is nice when it saves inside of here, so it's not all over your table. And let's see. This one, I think this is the one I could not find where I bought it. It must have been at Michael's, I'm guessing. So it's another border punch. And you just line the next piece up. And you can keep getting a really nice little border on this. And you can ink it, so that's pretty. And this one doesn't have, or it might have had it and it doesn't anymore. So just cleaning up the mess. Okay, circle punch, obviously. I only have the one, and this one is 1.5 inches. And if I can get this out, these are great because, so you did make the circle, but then you can use these in crafts and different things you're doing in different colors. So I'm definitely going to be getting these in more sizes. I know they come in like a set with maybe 5 different size circles. I'm not sure if I'm going to get that or just maybe a couple other sizes, but those are always great to have around. This corner punch. So I don't know if I've used this in any of the videos that I've done, but I do really like it. So here, let me try another side. You just have to make sure you line up the paper in. And then that is really pretty. Now, I just want to show you something, why I love it in the corner punch, but I want to show you, if you have a square piece, something more like this, and you want to do the two corners. I don't know why. I feel like it looks a little funny to me because I guess it makes this smaller, this is wider. I don't know, but just if you have a bigger piece of paper and you do, it's very pretty to put on the corners. So, and this makes a big mess as well. So, all right, our next one. This is called a flowered diamond border, and this one is very pretty, and it's a deep punch, really. So I'm just lining up the flower. So this really makes a pretty statement, I think, for, you know, even pockets or flaps or different things. So that's pretty nice. And the last one I have is my tag punch, which I use all the time. And there's 3 sizes. It's 1.5, 2.5, and 2. So let me cut a piece of paper at 2. And this one I'll cut at 2.5. Okay. So this one's 2.5. So you slide it in and it says it here, you probably can't see it, but it tells you the size. So you can slide it in and you just want to make sure it's lined up. And makes little tags, which, oh, and then I think I did this in a video. The piece that comes out of this is pretty nice to put on if you have another piece of paper or a pocket or something you're doing that's the same size. So 2, let's do this at 2. I'm just going to cut this at 2. And these extra pieces that, you know what, it was 2.5, I'm sorry. I think you can get the idea though. This glue, I glue this on to the page and it makes a really pretty pocket. Let me see, 2.5, let's see if I can do that. So 2.5, and then you can glue it onto the corners in a different color. And so I'll do another one here, and I just think it makes the pocket look a little more decorated. So that, and it's just extra that comes out, so that's something I like to use. And this one I think I cut at 2. So there you go. And then you can fold your tags up if it was a really long piece, and even make a little corner, fold down a corner, and glue this, and you have a little pocket in the tab. So this is, I really like the tag maker, and I think I got this one at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna give you a link. I think that they also sell them on Amazon, and the one that I'm gonna give you the link to, so these are, the shapes are a little different, but they have a lot, like I think 4 different tag shapes, totally different. So I'll link that, so in case that's what you want to do. Anyway, oh, corner, I forgot my favorite corner rounder. I know that you've probably seen a lot of these. I've tried quite a few, and this is my favorite. And there might be other really great ones out there, but this always seems to cut. I don't have a problem with it. Some of the others didn't always make the rounded corner. It like chopped little pieces off. I don't even have, I threw it away because that's how much I wasn't happy with it. But this one just works good. It always seems to cut exactly the way it's supposed to. And so I will link that also. Anyway, I hope that maybe this helped you a little bit without just seeing what stamps punches that I use most of the time. Anyway, thanks for stopping by my channel. And remember to leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.